Good evening. This is Akashvani Kohima. I am Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Japan commits 10 billion Japanese yen for establishment of medical college hospital at Kohima. Director Higher Education Dr. A Nshoga commends IGNOU for making quality higher education accessible and affordable. Former advisor and MLA L Khumo passes away at Dimapur. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio, Deputy Chief Minister Y Patton, and several others condoled the demise of L Khumo. An advisor Water Resources, Tongpang Ozukum, says Gaon Buras shoulder a big responsibility providing selfless service to the state. Now the news in detail. Government of Japan today committed official development assistance loan of 232.2 billion yen for 9 development projects in India. This includes a 10 billion Japanese yen project for the establishment of Medical College Hospital at Nagaland Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Kohima. Delineating on the projects, Ministry of Finance said that the project in Nagaland will help develop tertiary-level medical service delivery by developing a medical college hospital contributing towards universal health coverage. The projects also include road network connectivity aimed to improve infrastructure development in India's northeast region. Former advisor and member of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly, L Khumo, passed away this morning at Dimapur. He was 52 and survived by his wife and 4 children. Khumo started his political career by contesting successfully in the 12th NLA from NCP ticket from 57 Tonognu Assembly constituency in 2013 and was appointed as Parliamentary Secretary for Land Revenue, Village Guards and Women Resource Development. He got re-elected to the 13th NLA on National People's Party ticket in 2018 and was appointed as advisor for Fisheries Evaluation, Economics and Statistics. Khumo contested in the 2023 general elections as an LJP candidate but was unsuccessful. A funeral service was held at his private residence in Purana Bazaar and his mortal remains was taken to his native village for the last rites, which will take place tomorrow. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio has expressed sadness on the demise of former MLA L Khumo. In a condolence message, Rio said Khumo was a hard-working leader with a big heart and a good soul. The Chief Minister said his demise is a great loss to the Nagas in general and to the Khmuican community in particular. He prayed that the departed leader's good legacy will be carried on. The Chief Minister, on behalf of the Government of Nagaland and on behalf of his family, have extended deepest condolences to the bereaved family members. Extending condolences on the demise of L Khumo, Deputy Chief Minister Y Patton described Khumo as a stalwart who worked tirelessly for the welfare of the people. His contributions and legacy will continue to inspire others. NLS Speaker Sharingan Lungkoma, MP Rajya Sabha S. Phangnon Konyak and several other members from political parties, organizations have condoled the demise of L Khumo. Director Higher Education Dr. A Nshoga commended Indira Gandhi National Open University IGNOU for making quality higher education accessible and affordable to all sections of people through open and distance learning programs. Speaking at the 37th IGNOU program in Kohima today, Dr. Nshoga commended the learners for the milestone they have achieved through hard work, dedication and consistent efforts. He said that the convocation program created a sense of responsibility and self-confidence of the learners to begin a journey of 1,000 miles with one step. He called on the graduates to make good use of the qualifications they earned from the center to help others and improve themselves while also serving the nation for the larger interest of the people. The director also lauded IGNOU for their remarkable task in extending higher education learning towards marginalized and socio-economically disadvantaged groups, differently abled persons, and even jail inmates across the country. Dr. Nshoga said the university has been making a significant contribution to higher education sectors in teaching, research, training, community development, extension activities, and professional development. Regional Director and in charge of IGNOU Kohima, Dr. Mayonmi Shimre, said over 3,08,000 degrees, diplomas and certificates are being conferred to successful students across the country and abroad today. Dr. Shimre said that in Kohima there were 980 eligible students, out of which 723 were master degrees, 122 bachelor's degree, 88 diplomas and 47 certificates. This news comes to you from Akashvani, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on News On Air app and YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. Advisor Water Resources Tongpang Ozukum said that Gaon Buras are not only agents of the government but are also the link between the government and the people. Speaking today at the inauguration of the Mukukchung District GP's Hall, Ozukum said GPs shoulder a big responsibility of providing selfless service to the state, adding that the GPs have to support younger administrative officers with their customary wisdom and knowledge as and when the situation arises. He said the uniform that the GPs wear is well recognized and respected and urged them to be more sincere and dedicated in their works. While congratulating the GPs of Mukukchung District for constructing such a grand building, Ozukum further called on the GPs to perform their duties with honesty and in good character. Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh State Foundation Day was celebrated at Raj Bhavan, Kohima today. Governor L Khumo, while conveying his greetings, said that the day signifies more than the birth of two of our sister states. He said it is a celebration of the unity in diversity that is the very fabric of our nation. The governor said that regardless of our geographical boundaries, we are bound by the spirit of India. He reminded that Nagaland is India and India is Nagaland, so also is Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh. The governor, while congratulating the people of Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh on this momentous day, said that the door of Raj Bhavan, Kohima, is always open to all citizens and said that he is willing to give a patient hearing. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio also extended his best wishes to the two states on their Foundation Day. In a social media post, Rio conveyed his best wishes for peace, prosperity, and for the development journey of our sister states. Shisalen Reju, a coaching center under the initiative of District Planning and Development Board of Mukukchung, was inaugurated yesterday. Addressing the gathering, Minister for Rural Development, Mitsubu Jami, expressed happiness over this remarkable initiative undertaken by DPDP Mukukchung to run this institute and stressed that all stakeholders should shoulder equal responsibility. He expressed hope that unlike other coaching institutions, this institute will be the objective-oriented and will prove to be a boon to all NPSC and NSSP aspirants. Considering the crucial role played by teachers, the minister urged upon them to know their responsibilities and their values in building lives. The coaching center, sponsored through the common pool under LATP, will provide free coaching classes with special focus on NPSC and NSSP exams. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio will grace the Sekreni Kam Mini Hornbill Festival on February 24 at the State Stadium, Dimapur. Addressing media persons today, Angami Public Organization President Razovoto Chatsu said that the festival is being celebrated to preserve and promote the rich heritage and cultural values. Chatsu informed that Deputy Chief Ministers Y Patton and Tia Zeliang will be the guest of honor, while Minister of PHET and Cooperation N. Jacob Zumomi, Advisor for Tribal Affairs and Election H. Tovihoto Ayemi, and Advisor for Labour, Employment and Skill Development and Excise Mua Doshi Longkama will be the special guest on the occasion. Chatsu added that the leaders from the 16 tribes and other communities, including Karpis and Ahoms from the neighbouring state of Assam, have been invited for the celebration. More than 15,000 people from all the 4 Angami ranges are expected to come and celebrate the festival. And now 20 News, here are the headlines again. Japan commits 10 billion Japanese yen for establishment of Medical College Hospital at Kohima. Director Higher Education Dr. A Nshoga commends IGNOU for making quality higher education accessible and affordable. Former advisor and MLA L Khumo passes away at Dimapur. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio, Deputy Chief Minister Y Patton and several others condole the demise of L Khumo. An advisor Water Resources, Tongpang Ozukum, says Gaon Buras shoulder a big responsibility, providing selfless service to the state. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.